beyond the numbers, KLM considered reliability and delivery timelines. Airbus had a cleaner track record. Boeing, on the other hand, was still recovering from the 737 MAX crisis, facing production delays, certification issues, and uncertainty that doesn't sit well with airlines planning long-term investments. Perhaps the most surprising part of the order was the inclusion of the Airbus A350, a long-haul aircraft. KLM had previously indicated it would continue using its Boeing 777s and 787 Dreamliners for long-haul services, but adding the A350 to the mix shows a broader shift. Airbus is no longer just a short-haul partner for KLM. It is stepping into long-haul territory too.